Hey everyone, and welcome to AutoGPT tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk about Poe AI, an all-in-one AI chatbot that is available for free. Poe is a new amazing AI chatbot web app that you probably have not heard of, and it's called Poe. This innovative brainchild of Quora is built on the foundational technology of openai, GPT, and Claude Ai. And at its heart, Poe AI features a deep learning architecture capable of processing massive data volumes. Now you're all familiar with large language models, or LMS, which are at the cutting edge of text generation and natural language processing. However, getting to work with these models can be either a cumbersome process or quite costly. And here's where Poe AI makes its mark. It transforms the entire experience by allowing you to access multiple LMS at no cost. Just like that, you can switch between different AI models and see how they respond differently. The interaction with it is pretty straightforward. You start by going to their website, and after a quick sign-up, you're ready to engage in conversation. Think of it as sitting across from various bots on one side of your screen. You pick one and begin chatting, typing your messages, and receiving replies instantly. And you'll even find your chat history neatly organized on the right side of your screen. But there's so much more that Poe AI offers. Firstly, you'll be impressed by how fast and precise the responses are. It takes advantage of the most current versions of LLMs such as GPT-4, which is leaps and bounds ahead of earlier models. Then there's the ease of navigation. Even if you're new to the world of LLMs, Poe AI's intuitive and user-friendly interface will make you feel completely comfortable. Details of each bot are clearly presented, and you can even customize their settings according to your preference. If you're someone who's always on the move, Poe AI has got you covered. You can carry on your chats across various devices and even download your chat history, if you'd like to have a record of it now for those creative minds out there. How about crafting your very own chatbot with Poe AI? You can utilize prompts to build one shape its behavior and even share it with your friends. Sometimes curiosity might lead you to want to know more about certain subjects. The bots on Poe AI can assist by providing clickable links to more detailed information about the topics that catch your eye. Lastly, and importantly, it emphasizes a respectful and inclusive environment. You can engage with the platform without concern for inappropriate content, as NSFW content is strictly prohibited. Poe AI offers an exciting array of chatbots designed to serve different purposes. Let's start with Sage, based on GPT-4. It's like a knowledgeable mentor ready to assist students, teachers, or the curious in subjects like math and science for a lighthearted chat, or a joke turned to Claude, designed by Anthropic and influenced by DeepMind's founder Demis Hassabis. It offers human-like, unbiased conversations. Then there is ChatGPT, well known to everyone, so there's no need to go into details about it there. There are also more specialized bots like Ada for medical inquiries, Turing for coding assistance, and Shakespeare for literary exploration. The incredible thing is that you can even build your own custom bots to explore the endless possibilities. When you first visit Poe AI, you'll notice the bot's names on the left side of the screen by clicking on a specific bot's name. A dialogue will open up and the bot will explain its capabilities to you as you jump from one bot to another. You'll get to see how each one responds now. If you're interested in creating your own custom bot, like something themed after Harry Potter, it's pretty straightforward. You'll find a Create Bot button at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on that will open up a window where you can write the instructions for your bot and select a base model such as Claude AI. After a few clicks, your one-of-a-kind bot is all set and ready to converse with you. Sharing your bot creation with others is also an easy task. All you need to do is click the Share button, copy the link that appears, and then send it to your friends or colleagues. It's a quick way to let others enjoy the unique bot you've created. You can even generate information articles on topics like sports and news type. Something like write an article about the latest cricket match between India and Australia, and it will generate that for you. Now Poe AI is free, but if you want more features or access to more advanced models, you can upgrade to a premium plan. It costs $9.99 per month or $99.99 per year, giving you unlimited access to everything on Poe AI. And if you're a developer, there's an API that you can make use of to incorporate chatbots and content creation into your applications or websites. It's designed to be flexible, and it can work with a variety of programming languages. All right, So what do you think? I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this. Feel free to share. And if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.